Let's have a proper introduction from this side siguro. Lalayo yung microphone nila ba to? Agad na pa, agad. Sige, dugay na lang guro, no? Dugay. Sige. Ma-play na lang tayo na ikanta kay way pagka natapos na itong technical run-through. Alright, but yeah, we'll talk to the girls in a bit. But right now, let's, I just wanted to say hi to you guys. Welcome to the show. And, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Let's play something from Crash Adams. Here's New Heart on FMR 91.1. Never may napatok sa mga kabataan mo, hindi umambalaw sa ulo ang kanta. That was off the soundtrack of K-pop Demon Hunters. Huntrix would Take Down. Check your time, it is on 9:17 in the morning. Welcome once again to the show. This is Barako Break with Tito Mike. And napurnada ang atong introduction earlier. But I think we're just about ready. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome back to the show. Buglas, Pilipinas. Good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Alright, sige, let's kick off the introduction from this side.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nicole Segovia. Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalie Andres. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yana Amar. Good morning, everyone. My name is Marina Gonzalez.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rachel Beatriz Emiliano.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Claudia Montinola.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jane Dalabio.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Renee Gabriela ni Matea F. Lumumba. Good morning, everyone. I'm Chanel Dominic Malikim.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Arya Yasin.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Ashley De La Rosa.
Hi, I'm Ron.
Siya lang lain. Malabot niya. Sige, go. Wala sa ang introduction mo?
Hi. Good morning.
Ay, lang sa Japanese na hindi niya pala magkadlawin. Sige, go.
Hi everyone, I'm Ron. I'm Ron Malikin.
Alright. Kamuya ba na yun niya kadlawan? Yun niya kay tungod lang naglain sa. Anyways, welcome to the show, girls. Welcome back at that, no? The girls of Buglas, Filipinas, no, taking home the silver in the recently concluded, ano pag-pronounce? Kanga or Kanga? Kanga. No, Kanga Cup in, that's a 33rd, no? 33rd Kanga Cup in Canberra, Australia. How does it feel? How's the feel? Is this the first time joining the competition? The Kanga Cup. It is, right? So how does it feel? After after everything that you guys have been through, you are in the big three. Anong ginabatsyag niyo subong? 1 month, 'di ba? After you guys competed. So sige. Kamo na bahala, assign designate kung sinong niyo. How does it feel that you guys are winners? Technically, you are winners.
Nang makaka-proud kid kag very overwhelming. Nang knowing nga ang kami na team ang only Philippine team na lang nag-compete sa
Amo lang. Right, really? Wow, ha? So, sige, the rest, how do, just share. Anong ginagawa? Ako proud. Pwede ko kapmao ng mga girls na niya. Kapmao ka mo, wala? Wala, gaya. Dati, parehos na eh. Mag-ginotong tadi karon. Sige, so, how does it feel? What's the feeling like, becoming, or after winning? After becoming one of the big three in the competition? Anong inyo kakabatsyagan? Kamang tipidsin nyo, no? Sige, how about the rest? So, Jeff, kamahuya. May sa mga girls naman. May nagkaroon pa kapihon, tanin sila, ay, no? Para mag-speeding. Sige. Sige, karon lang kay panganon, taka makaroon. Karon ta lang ka mag-isahon. But right now, ano how long did you guys prepare for the entire, 2 months preparation? Alright, and what were the during the preparation pa lang, ano mga struggles, mga challenges nga na face nyo kumbaga in preparation for the campaign sa Australia?
I think ang schedule sa mga girls. Kay not only nga there lang sa Bacolod, pero meron kami 2 from Siliman, which hindi naman di upod subok. And as well as nang mag-training, most likely mga weekends na lang gid. And kung saan lagi dyan free nila yan. And mostly nang ang preparation na kumpleto gisa like lapit na lang gid ang ang larga naman pa Australia.
Right, so meaning scheduling conflict kaya was the amo ginang pinakadako niya. Ano ka mga kan? High school? High school. Isa ka elementary? Oh, sino elementary? Wala, ikaw pang elementary. So, being you're from different schools, no? Right, and yes, so that's understandable. You guys are gonna face scheduling conflicts, right? But before you guys, well, let's say the moment you guys went to Australia, were you confident nga masking hindi amo na wala ta na maximize ang aton nga training because of schedule, were you still that confident that you guys were going to end up being, silver? Aring mga gagmay ni mga gayom-yom go pag tuksoon ko ni areho nga raisaw nan. Sige, ikaw bebang koton ko. Were you confident na were you able to tell yourself ang sangara pa lang kamo nagapasaka pa lang kamo sa eroplano pakadto sa Australia? Kabalo na kamadaog kami na silver kami ni part?
Confident kami kay mayaman kami nga gut feeling nga madaog naman ka gin-try man namon nga best.
Mo niya dapat o sige ikaw ya. Kay ikaw gayom-yom kamanda. Yung tiyaga ko blisin niya, gina-test ka mo. Hindi si Sir, wala di ka panukso si Sir, ya. Ano lang, I mean, your feelings, amo na kayang bali, may gut feel, sa imo, yung case, ya, bagara, kada sa tiyat sentro, kagad. Were you also confident nga, feeling ko, silver ka man niya?
Oo, kay grabe kita mo preparation sa game.
Okay, masking scheduling conflict was very major thing sa inyo nga mga nga mga panawag ni ng mga challenges. Sige sa sa coaching sa management side. No, what's like the gut feel sa inyo nga end? Kung pagkadto nyo to. Kaya ni sing girls What was it? Ikaw na lang.
Nang ako yung may saligid ko sila as in nang wala ko sila ginadoubt ya. Nang kay as well as ang Singa Cup naman, kami na kontra nga mga taga-Australia, knowing that ng mga tag-as, wala kag mga dasig man, no?
Walang wayan, no?
Oo.
Mga lang wayan,
Nang ga-expect na kami nga muna sila tutanan.
So you guys prepared, kumbaga may gameplay na kamo, nga preparar gid sa mga langwayan nga kontra. Ang layo, pabla mo na labot ng bula, kayang TL laba. Di ba la? That's very, I mean, I watch football and I can really tell the difference between, between, the height can bring, kumbaga, in football. Right? So, pag abot nyo to sa Australia, what was it all games or medyo leisure? Mga kamo nakalagaw-lagaw, mga kamo. How long did you guys stay in Australia?
10 days.
Wow, 10 days, grabe ba? Bakasyon. Ba pilakad daw lang ang 4 days, meaning 6 days ka mo nakakuan gid, naka-leisure gid. So ano mga experiences niyo sa Australia?
Snow Mountain.
So di ka mo sa Canberra lang ka mo nagkuan. All right, and
transfer mo kami to Sydney, mag-antes ko babuli.
nagpa-Sydney ka mo. So ano gid, sige be, sige let's do a roll call from this side naman. What is it about Australia that you love the most? Besides the game, syempre. Kaya para at least maano taman ba lang at you guys also enjoyed. Ikaw na lang, ikaw yum ka da. Kitaon ka kita, sabi mo half face lang kitaon, pawala lang ka da. So what did you love most about Australia? Besides the games itself? Sige, face lang ko diyo kay para hindi tamayo magkitanay gid.
What I like about Australia is that the people are friendly. There's a lot of wildlife and I like the food.
Right. Okay, next, ikaw balik ko si mo, kayum-yum kagida. Kulang answer mo lagi na.
Ang mga places kag ang tao.
Totoo yung ngiting, okay, di ba tiyon, ma'am, balik ka rin may reklamo, di ka rin sa aton, nga live ka rin, hindi man na ba tiyon, dito, Mike, Tina Mike, we can't hear you, girls. Mali ka rin, madama, viewers from Australia.
Ang mga tao kay mga buot sila.
Mas buot pa sa Pinoy? Or Pinoy, mga taga-Australia ang inyo mga Alright, sige, next.
Filipino, Canberra community.
Yeah, speaking of, Filipino community in Canberra, no, I have my good friend, John Anthony Yusay, who's also listening or watching us on Facebook right now. Actually, nag-chat kasi sa akin sa last time pag-post ko sang art card that you guys are gonna guest with me, and he said nga the Filipino community in Canberra is expecting you guys to come back soon. So shout out no sa mga friends natin dira. Jay, John Anthony Yusay. Sa bunggim ano ya gid niya. Kaya the entire the entire Filipino community in Canberra is watching right now through our Facebook page. So ano oras subong sa? Ahead sila by 2 hours I think, no? Ahead sila by 2 hours. Check to. So morning Japan na. Morning pa lang. 11 na. All right, sige. So how about sa likod? Ano ang pinaka-nami? What is it about Australia that you really enjoyed good? Besides the games paano ano kan?
What I like the most in Australia is ang places good and the weather. Kasi alam tayo maka-experience tugnaw good.
Tugnaw to. Kay gali winter in Australia gali. Right. Kayo sir. Aray na naman to pala mo.
Mga kangaroo, mga gano'n.
Ang garo siya mo. Mga kang garo tumbo. Pero tamo.
Kanya ngayon maganda, magkakita.
Boy ka maginang katapong lang sa mga kanggaro, mga dagko lawas sa mga
Na lang.
And actually, it's mo gina perme ang sabat sa mga tao nga nakato nami kay may kumisindi ka magkadto may kanggaro. Di ba? Pero mayara man nga wala sila na nami ang kay katapong ulan sila sa nang kanggaro kuno. All right, so on this side naman niya. What other sino pang wala tato matokso? Okay, so what is it about Australia that you like the most?
Ang snowy mountain nila. Kaya wala man snow sa Pilipinas.
So na-experience you could finally ang snow. Right, so ikaw yan.
Ang snowy mountain man kag namian ko sang tugnaw dito kag ang playground nila bakod-bakod kay may zipline.
Sakto gin actually. That's true That's true. Sige, from the back.
What I liked about Australia is the environment because it's like really clean and the weather, also the fruits.
Right, correct. So now going back to our Filipino community, they received you when you guys arrived there. How was their hospitality? What can you say about the hospitality of our Filipino community in Canberra?
Mamba, sila nga Pinoy, sila tuod yan. Kay nang parehas man diri sa Pilipinas, we Filipinos are known as for our hospitality man. So, ang muna to ka-proud lang kay gidala man to nila as sa Australia and nang ginbuligan gid sila namo. Sorry. Ginbuligan gid kami. Pag-abot ito naman as sa pagpuli nang wala gid sila. Alin sa pagpumahaw naman sa panyapon na mo sila gyapon.
Kung sa bagay, di ka mga busy ng tao, especially those who are there to work. I can imagine how busy they are, but it's great that they are able to really find time para ma-accommodate ang Buglas Filipinas and the entire delegates pag abot ninyo dito for 10 days.
Pag-abot din naman.
Nice, grabe. Jay, bakod. Puli man di Jay? Or makadto ko da, be? Okay, makadto ko da accommodate mo ko, Jay. Alright, and like they said, they're very excited. Do we have any plans soon of maybe competing once again in Australia? Any competitions besides Kanga Cup that you guys are looking into in the future? Grabe, yung may puson man sinyo yaman. Sige, papawayan. I'm gonna make you guys rest for a little bit. Let's play a song. This one is from Blackpink, and then after this, we'll talk more with the girls of Buglas, Filipinas. This is Barako Break with Tito Mike on FMR 91.1. Jump. Okay na? Okay, arena. Welcome back to the show, ladies and gentlemen. We still have the girls of Buglas, Pilipinas. Now let's get to the games na naman. Okay. How many matches did you girls play?
5 eliminations, then semis and finals.
Right. So, ano ang mga nakontra yung mga teams from which countries? Australia tanan. But there are also delegates from other Southeast Asian countries who joined the or kamo lang gidya sa SEA. Wow, grabe ah. So all the teams that you compete with were from Australia. Grabe. Okay. So what was ano ang pinaka challenges nyo good? No, pag playing Australian athletes, no, being considering that they have some physical features nila, at syempre medyo advanced sila sa inyo. So what was the experience like? Ano mga challenges kid?
The challenges na gin-face namon was the cold. Because like frost.
Okay.
Like ang matiil namon numb.
Oh.
Like they have to warm up with mayo, but because of the cold.
What was the temperature when you were there? Mga around 15?
Like negative.
Really?
Sometimes
Aga negative pa ka mo? Ano, grabe ba? I would really understand. So number 1 was really the cold. Amo ginaiyang medyo nagkuanyo. Right, so how did you, but regardless of the cold, aside from the cold, what else? Ano pagit ang inyo nga mga challenges ninyo, mga struggles ninyo while, playing your Australian opponents, kumbaga?
tamaan sila kataas.
Taas man sila. Ano mga standard height sa mga players, mga ano mo?
5'6".
Mga mo na. So, grabe ba? So, mga borderline 6-footer, galing mga kontra ninyo. Right, so, ano naman ang mga learnings ninyo? I mean, from these challenges, from these obstacles that you girls have faced while, in Australia, syempre, there's always learning. There's always something, may mga takeaways si Kamagara. Anong mga takeaways ninyo sa experience playing against Australian opponents? Hindi na naman to sa piya ko, kaya gitanulok, kaya lang din sila. O, ikaw na lang, kaya half face lang raw. Half face lang, kaya parang hindi ka mauya. So, ano ang mga learning? Syempre, kabalo ko nga, may mga natunan, gimang ka mo. Di ba, sa game show? Because, playing is not only, sipa-sipa lang. There's, strategy, there's everything in between, kumbaga. So, ano ang mga learnings ninyo off of the experience that you've had playing Australian opponents? Ikaw na lang yung natudlo nila.
Ang teamwork kay that's how maka-create ang team goal.
Okay. Duwa pa sa answer, yeah. Sige, ikaw, sir. What do you think? Panukso na lang ko. What do you think was the difference before and after Kanga Cup in terms of the performance sa mga girls? Or let's say sa playing the semis and the finals. Ano ang improvement? May growth bala kung magahalin sa eliminations nga makita nimo?
Okay. Sa LM, sa unang adlaw daw, gadgets pa lang. Pero pag second to the third day, nang naka-adjust na sila si Coach Pangs, ang coach na mo, nakahimo man siya daw tactics mula para maka-counter ng mga kangaroo.
Nagbalik Japon sa kangaroo. Right, so balik Japon. Sabi ba na off guard ba ako sa off guard ba ako sa kangaroo gulpe ba? But I think I get what you guys what you girls are what you girls mean. Now you are in have you been to the city na? I saw an article a couple of days ago that Bacolod SP has passed a resolution congratulating you girls for your achievement in the Kanga Cup. So have you been to the to meet them na? Wala pa get. But do you have that in your schedule? Like may patawag na ka mo nila, wala pa.
No, naman to cancel pa, to move pa siya.
Agin move pa siya. I think, well, it's understandable. There's so many things that's happening in the city right now. Damo ginapreparahan. But I think it's one of those things that they really are pushing with. Kay, you girls deserve proper recognition. You girls deserve to be highlighted, you know, being the sole team from the country who was able to, go toe-to-toe with your Australian counterparts, no, and syempre taking home the silver. Pero how does it feel nga? Medyo nagka-recognize kami siyang isang syudad because of our achievements. Anong mabatsyagan ninyo, Aryo? Sila? Iskuhan na islo?
Proud gid kami nga Bacolod nun and Filipino.
Okay? Ikaw ang ginsiko, ya?
Ano din ang question?
Anong ginabatch? Anong feeling no nga kamo iga-recognize kamo, iga-congratulate kamo sa Bacolod City Council mismo for your achievement?
Proud gid ko kag very thankful gid nga na interview man kami and nakilalaan sang iba na mga tao.
Pero did you girls think nga masikat gid kamo kag yung mga achievements ninyo? Kahit to start off, I'm sure nga some parents would make you would let you join this just because healthy ka mo, di ba la? And your sports may engagement ka mo in sports, but did you always consider yourselves as girls that will represent the country in different places? Do wala ikaw mo yan no? And actually, do medyo nanguit, this is your GIF Kaginaw. You guys are also in preparation for another big thing in the 2026 Verano Cup in United States of A. That's August of next year also. Tsakto, August 2026. Ready na ka muna Aray mga langwayan man Mga langwayan well, I'm not trying to pero sige lang, dasan lang na. Pero, what is, aside from this, what is in store? Ano ang inyong mga ginapreparahan naman in the future? Do you have any competitions that you're also preparing for at the present, fresh from your conquest in Australia? Ano pa gid ang mga ginapreparahan nyo? Nupseya gali no. Nupseya is saan o ganing Nupseya? October tsakto. October tsakto. So but this time I think you're playing in your respective schools. Pila ka schools? Ano mga schools? Just to enumerate lang para at least balanta kung sino may natubangay na sa field bala ng mga of the night.
Maranatha Christian College. Then we have Saint Scholastic Academy.
Oh, may SSA man.
And University of St. Lasal sa Nupseya.
Oh, wow, grabe so ti. Okay, nakagagay na tubangay mga kamo sa Nupseya. How does it feel? Are ka diglia. Sige. So how's the feeling? You're against your teammate kumbaga. Wala man, do ang pangampang lang. Binisayaw yung na sa yung. Alright, sige. Now to wrap up our talk this morning, no. May mga pasalamatan ka mo, may mga shoutouts ka mo, sponsors that you would like to thank. Fire away, I'll give you the chance. Narang listahan pagwa ang listahan. Tudon talakay para kalabot sa microphone, please. Sige, sige, go.
We'd like to thank GTDFC Incorporated and the 33rd Kanga Cup, Australia, and ACT-CIS Party List, Senator Erwin Tulfo, MDOT, Binance, PAGS, Sketchy Horse, Dr. Samantha Grace Yusay, and Delara.
We would also like to thank Grow We, Go Time, Philippine Sports Commission, Filipino Community Canberra, Australia, Philippine Embassy Canberra, City of Bacolod, House of Senate Philippines, SB Moore, Dr. Maitenol, Kinetic.
Ang bago ng parents nyo.
Mga parents, pasalamatan nyo man. Wala yung buot sa mga parents. Yung araw no?
Yun like to thank Milo, ELBFC, BUFC, Football Kings United, sa mga parents, sa mga girls nga ang iban sa GWA, and as well as sa mga teammates nga wala, hindi na manupod subong, and as well as sa mga schools nga gin-represent sa mga girls, Maranatha Christian Academy, a college, Bacolod City National High School, Escalante National High School, St. Scholastica Academy, University of St. Lasal, Silliman University, and Himamaylan Elementary School.
Alright, well, mabasa today mo shoutout to diyan na Uy, GUTD Academy, wari yung ano. Reslin, shoutout to diyan sa gwapong mga bata, Natalie Rian, and Rain Andres. Si John Anthony Yusay, no? Good morning kay Tito Mike and Buglas. We also have, tumundamo yung mga tags. Good morning, girls, watching from Manila. Sam Dino Yasay. We also got Katrina Montinola, Genevieve Dalugdog, Liz Ibanez, Kat Saldevar Singh. Hello from Canberra. We got Bing, ano ni? Ano din na to? Bing Carps. So, shout out sa mga coaches. Oy, shout out sa mga coaches nyo man. Wala nyo pang ano, mga coaches nyo.
Coach Pang,
Coach Christian Earl Boda.
Coach Jun.
Filipino Community Canberra, thank you for sponsoring foods and everything needed sa girls. You're welcome to stay with us, Tito Mike. Uy! Grabe. Nice si Jay. Shoutout lang sa apo ko, si Natalie. Pa-shout out, mga gayom-yohom lang. Come back soon, Australia, Genevieve Dalugdog. Oh, di ba? So, and so many other. Any last shoutouts para sa mga ara sa mga Filipino community, basta may mga message kamo sa Filipino community in Canberra, kay ari sila, grabe yung support nila sa subong. May ari sila Japon. Sige na.
Shout out Maranatha Centurions and Coach Bona.
Okay.
Shout out Bacolod City National High School.
Shout out Escalante National High School, Coach Kelvin Maratas and Coach Sir Angels Escoltar.
shout out sa family ko sa sila. Thank you sa pagdulong sa akon. Ayla.
Okay na, mga sponsors nyo, natigpos nila. Okay. And once again, shout out sa mga Filipino community sa Canberra, Australia. They're very, very, welcoming. And, Katrina Ramos Montesenet also recognized. Yes, the Senate also recognized you girls, no? So, grabe, thankful, good. And more competitions in the future and more achievements, hopefully. And hopefully makuan man, matigpos man ang inyong whatever requirements that you need para sa US ninyong competition next Verona Cup, no? Next year. Alright, and for now, thank you so much for dropping by. And once again, congratulations. Bacolod City Negros province is proud of your achievements. Alright, and Pasib la pila kadlaw ni nagid ka mo national team nagid ba lang kanya, di ba? Tsakta man. Pwede, alangan hindi, di ba la? It is now 9:47 in the morning. Thank you girls! Palakpakan natin mga ka-vibes. Once again, we have Buglas, Pilipinas. Wala na mo, last nga pasalamatan na. Sir Jeep, thank you to all the coaches. Alright, and yes.
Mag-give kami isang gratitude naman sa amon nga coaches ngayon hindi naman upod subong kay Coach Jeff, kay Coach Pangs, kay Coach John nga nagbulig sa girls sa preparation nila before mag-cut sa Australia. And si Red Paged, yours truly, and si Coach Ran.
Coach Elmer.
And si Coach Elmer Laknet Paged.
Alright, okay na? Pasalamatan nyo na sila kay para bakod. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Buglas, Pilipinas. Thank you girls. And more pa in the future. Masih may lang alang bala. Ara na.
Shout out sa best friend ko.
Yes. Na-eskwela na kag sports na yan.
Pila ko yan.
Mga parents yung katalam mo dayon basta magkadlaw-kadlaw ka mo gani.
Shout out kay Mama Maaari ko sa sulod.
Shoutout na lang kay Zola.
Shoutout kay Marinon.
Okay na? Okay na ko, utang? Alright, once again, no, Buglas Philippines, thank you. It is 48 past 9 o'clock in the morning. Back to more of the music right here on FMR 91.1. Yeah, bisita kami yeah. Once again, thank you to all the, to all our viewers from Australia. Right? Kay sila ni ang nag-support gid sa aton nga mga girls from Buglas, Filipinas. Sila gid nang nagkwanto, panawag ni, nagpamper gid sila sang ara to sila while playing no sa Kanga Cup 2025. Okay? So more to come kumbaga, no? Daw pa rin sila ginaprepare. Thank you. Mababay din sila kuno. Kaya daw pa sila ginapreparahan kay dugay ni Mako na lang gid sila ya. National team na lang gid sila guro ya. Well, you never really know. And it's really nice that these athletes are getting developed from a very from the grassroots term la kumbaga. So yeah, nice. Good job. It is 21 past 10 o'clock in the morning, second hour stretch of the show. This is still Barako Break with Dito Mike. If you have any songs that you want to request for, hit me up. We are on Facebook, FMR Bacolod 91.1, and sa Kumu, that's FMR Bacolod. Right now, it is 21 past 10 in the morning. Getting back to more of the music. Here's Omar Balio, Ryan, and CLR Calmado Part 3 on FMR 91.1.